Switch 1 on. Switch 3 on. Switch 2 on. Switch 4 on. Switch 1 on. Switch 2 on. Switch 3 on. Switch 4 on. Switch 1 off. Switch 2 off. Switch 3 off. Switch 4 off.
Hello friends, for making this project we need an Arduino Uno, 4-channel relay module, HA05 Bluetooth module, and some jumper wires, female to female and male to female. So let's get started. First of all, we need to take an Arduino Uno. This is Arduino Uno. If you want to buy this, then you can contact on my number. My number is given in description box. We provide you the Arduino Uno at a best price. So, for making this project, let's start. In this Arduino Uno, I use the digital pins 9, 10, 11 and 12 as a output, which we need to give to the input of relay module. These pins 9, 10, 11, 12 to the input of relay module. So let's do the wirings. First of all, for giving the power supply to the relay module, I use the ground pin of Arduino Uno to give the ground to the relay module. Like this. By using male to female jumper wire, I give the power supply from the Arduino Uno to the relay module. The ground to ground, and for 5 volt positive, I use the Arduino pin of 5 volt. This one 5 volt to the VCC of relay module. And now we need to join the output pins of Arduino Uno to the input pin of relay module. So now, with the help of 4 jumper wires, male to female, I join the output pin of Arduino to the input pin of relay module, like this as I shown you on the screen. So now, our relay module is successfully connected to our Arduino Uno. If you do not understand any wirings, then you can contact on my number. So friends, let's join the HA05 Bluetooth module to it. Here, HA05 Bluetooth module have 6 pins, but I use the 4 pins: RXT, TXT, ground and VCC. The VCC is the common 5 volt which we give to the relay module. So here the 5 volt common to VCC, and for ground GND of Bluetooth module, to the GND of Arduino Uno. Now for RXD and TXT, we need to give these pins to the default pin of the Arduino because I use default pin. Here you can see that at the D0 and D1 there is written RX and TX. So we need to give the Bluetooth module RX and TX to these pins. So now our hardware is completed successfully. Let's jump on programming part. In programming, I use the digital pins 9, 10, 11, 12. So first of all, we need to define all these pins. Then in void setup, we need to define the pin mode, which is output, and the initial state of LEDs, which is low in my code. And in void loop, first of all, we need to define the serial.available for Bluetooth, which read the commands, and then we need to define the commands which will be read from the Bluetooth device. These are the commands, friends. So let us upload this code to the Arduino Uno. Now friends, after uploading the code, we need to give the power supply to the Arduino Uno of 12 volt. And let's see that how it works. For controlling this project, we need an application. This is an application. Step by step, you can see these application features. For connecting this Bluetooth device, we need to touch this, and here the nearby Bluetooth device shown. You can see that when I select the device of my Bluetooth, then this LED of Bluetooth module will stop, which indicates that our device is connected to our mobile phone.
Switch 2 on. Switch 3 on. Switch 4 on. Switch 3 off. Switch 1 off. Switch 4 off. Switch 2 off. Switch 1 on. Switch 2 on. Switch 3 on. Switch 4 on. Switch 1 off. Switch 2 off. Switch 3 off. Switch 4 off.
So friends, this project is for college students, but for the home organizer, I made the different project like this. For the home organizer, we need a verified PCB. If you want this PCB, then email the glcpcb.com. It's very cheap. So on this PCB, we need to attach a circuit. If you want this circuit, then please contact me. Here, the 80 mega 328 IC, the same IC that we put in the Arduino Uno. These are the 80 mega 328 ICs. If you want to buy these IC, then you can also contact me. So I put this IC into this circuit like this, as I shown you on the screen. Make sure that IC is in correct manner, otherwise the circuit will blast also. Now we only need to attach this circuit in these pins so that it works properly. Now this circuit is completed. Let's check it. Now this is a circuit, and The neutral is common and phase is goes to the main line. Now I am on the switch. You can see that on my circuit the LED light is on. This is a converter of 220 volt to 12 volt. So let's see the practical.
Switch 1 on. Switch 1 off. Switch 1 on. Switch 2 on. Switch 2 off. Switch 2 on. Switch 2 off. Switch 1 off. Switch 3 on. Switch 3 off. Switch 4 on. Switch 4 off.
Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, then share it to your friends and near ones so that they can also learn the robotics. And if you want any